Children, you have learned to find the rational numbers between two numbers. Now, let us see the other type of examples. For example, if a decimal expansion is given for you, how will you convert into fraction form? Means in the form of p by q. So, conversion. Decimal expansion into p by q form. Example. If it is 1.5, what you have to do is, after point you have to see how many digits are there. There is only one digit. So in the denominator you have to write 10. And in the numerator, just write directly the number like this. This is nothing but writing in the form of p by q. Once again I will repeat. For example, if you take the second example, 2.25. What you have to do? After point, you have to see the number of digits. How many digits are there? 2 digits. So what you have to write here? It is 100. Then without the point, you have to write the number. This is how you write in the form of p by q. For example, if it is 0.478, now tell me children, how shall I write in the p by q form? So after the point, you will be counting the number digits 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, and then you will be writing the number in the numerator. Just write as it is 478. So you got, if there is a decimal expansion, to write in the form of p by q. Now, if a number is recurring, means repeating, how shall we write in the form of p by q? Hope you got this. Should I show with one more example? For example, one more example I will give. 3 to 1.5. How will you convert this one? After the point, you will see the digits. There is only one digit. So, in the denominator, what should I write? 10. Then write whatever the number as it is without the point. Hope you can do it now. Now, let me go for the other set of problems. For example, now if you take 1 by 3, this is a rational number. I have to write in the decimal expansion form. You know to write the decimal into fraction. Now if it is a fraction, what we have to do? You know it's a very simple thing to divide. So 3, denominator write outside, 1 inside. It will not go, put the point 0, 3 3s are 9, 1. Again it will not go, so you will add 0, 3 3s are 9, 1, 0, 3 3s are 9. You can see here 3 is repeating. So the answer how you can write is 3.033 so on. Repetition means recurring. So the final answer what you write is 0.3. Since the only one number 3 is repeating, on the head of that what you write is 3 bar. This is what in the decimal expansion form. Now if they give you 0.3 bar like this, how will you convert back to the fraction? That is important now. When they give you recurring, how will you convert in the p by q form? So I will write the steps for one problem. The second problem you have to do. Now first step, let me write down. Let x is equal to 0.3 bar. What does this bar shows for you? It is 3 is repeating. Now I have to come back to what? I have to write it in the p by q form. What answer I should get? Already you know the answer I should get is 1 by 3. But what are the steps you have to follow now? Since the bar is only on one digit, you have to multiply this equation by 10. If the bar is on two numbers, you have to multiply this equation by 100. If the bar is on three numbers, then you have to multiply the equation by how much? 10, 100, 1000, it is 1000. So, this is the first step. Next step, I will expand this one, 0.333 so on. This let me call it as equation 1 and I have to multiply by how much it is? 10. 10 into x is 10x. Now you should not multiply 10, just since only 1 0 is there, you just move the point to bar. So what's the first step you have to do? Let x is equal to, you have to take second step, expand like this, multiply by 10. Why should you multiply by 10? Because on the head of only one digit there is a bar like this. Then if you multiply 10 into x, both the side you have to multiply. 10 into x is 10x. 10 into 0.333. So what we do is, just since only one zero is there, this point will be moved to one digit further. So what does it becomes? 3.3. Now let me call it as equation number 2. What is the third step is, we have to split this and write. How to split this and write? 10x is equal to, this 0.3 is there, no? I'll just write here like this, plus 3.3 bar, it is here, no? In this I have to minus this, so that what I should add here I will come to know. So it is 3. 3 plus 0.3 is nothing but again back side, 3.3 bar. Next, 10x is equal to 3 plus, what is 0.3 bar? It is nothing but x. Take x all one side. So 10x minus x is equal to 3. 9x is equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3 by 9. 3 ones are 3 threes are. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by 3. You see how you got the answer? Same thing, no? You have seen there also. 1 by 3, decimal expansion 0.3 bar. Here also 0.3 bar, you got its fraction form 1 by 3. Only thing you have to remember the steps. What are the steps now you have to remember? First step, you have to write the given as let x is equal to 0.3 bar. Then second step, that what is bar is there, no? That number you have to expand for few numbers. Then you have to multiply. By what number you have to multiply? Since only bar is only one digit, you have to multiply by 10. 10 into x, 10x. Since if you multiply this with the 10, so 1 point just you move, that's all. 3.3 bar. Then you call it as equation 2. These 2 steps are over now. What's the third step you have to do, tell me children? You have to split this one, 3.3 bar. How to split? 10x is equal to, whatever x is there, no? That you write down first. Then which number I have to add? How will I know? You have to minus with the 3.3 bar. Then I will know what number I have to write here. So it becomes 3 plus, what is 0.3 bar? It is nothing but x. Then take x this side, 9x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 3 by 9, 3 ones are, 3 threes are, that is equal to 1 by 3. One more example I will show you. You see, you should tell me what are the steps I should follow. For example, if they have given 0.6 bar, how will you convert it to p by q form? So you have to tell me children what are the steps. First step is let x is equal to 0.6 bar. Okay. What is the second step? X is equal to, you expand this 6, 6, 6, 6, any. So on. Since the bar is on only one digit, by what number I have to multiply? Both the side by 10. So this will be the first equation. Now if I multiply 10 into x, 10x. Since there is only 1 0, 1 point you move and write 6.6 bar. So this becomes the second equation. Now children, what is the third step you tell me? This 6.6 bar I have to split. So 10x is equal to, this first step is then no 0.6 dot, I write as it is. Then what number I have to write here? How shall I find? How will I know? I have to take 6.6 bar and minus with this. So I will come to know which number I have to write here. 6. Then 10x is equal to 6 plus 0.6 bar is nothing but what it is? X. If I take x to this side, 10x minus x is equal to 6. 9x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 by 9. 3 2s are 3 3s are. Therefore, x is equal to 2 by 3. You got the two problems from children. In the next class, let us do some more problems. Thank you, children.